How to create affiliate links on Impact step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create affiliate links on Impact in the easiest way possible. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to impact.com and you're going to choose, are you a brand or are you a partner? Now, obviously, if you want to create affiliate links on Impact, we are obviously going to tell them that I am a partner, because if we are a brand, then we can't really become an affiliate and create affiliate links. So if you're an affiliate, just go and click on affiliates, and once you do that, partner with brands your audiences will love. Let's say I'm going to go with Adidas, and I'm going to click on that. Now, once you click up on the sign up pattern, from there on out, you're going to get the whole sign in method. And once you do all of that, they're going to give you an option to create affiliate links using the product that you just chose. And using that product that we just chose, you're just going to sign up and start earning. And yeah, that is how you're going to create affiliate links. Just choose to be a partner. And once you choose to be a partner, choose the brand, and it's going to create affiliate links for you that you can choose to obviously affiliate market easily. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.